Hi, I'm back at Quito, Ecuador, the second highest capital in the world. Which means air quality here is good, but there's not much air. And when you're at such high altitudes, everything gets harder. A simple run, 2,800 meters high, will leave you breathless. And when you do the same run at 4,000 meters, it's much harder. This is the same height as the Himalayas base camp, and even there,
it gets less oxygen.
It's just as hard. At these altitude levels, your car, however fancy, will be slower due to low oxygen level. Your drone battery will have a shorter life, and these 10 stairs you need to climb will leave you breathless. At least I am. At island sea level, this is called a jog. Here, walking is an exercise, and your heart rate jumps by a lot. In Quito, Ecuador, having a big heart is a plus. Having big lungs is a must.
Eso es un minuto, nos vemos mañana.